Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a little different. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of Jeulia Jewelry. I am wearing 3 pieces that they sent to me, but the unboxing are actually 2 pieces that I purchased myself for my sister and my mom's early birthday. But first, let's go over my scent of the day, because you guys know I gotta put a little bit of perfume in all of my videos. But today's scent of the day is Lolita Lempica. And I just knew I wanted something kind of Starry Night. Now I know I have different stars behind me, but I wanted the feeling of Starry Night, and this has always been a vibe for me. This has always been a whimsical, kind of enchanted forest, fairy tale kind of scent. When I think of Starry Night, because yes, on my eyes I am wearing Starry Night by this whole video is a theme. I do a Q&A, and I don't know which video is going to come out first, but I do have Starry Night on my eyes. And the collection we are going over is the Starry Night collection. So when Jeulia Jewelry first reached out to me on the collection, they didn't actually have the pieces that I'm wearing right now or the one that I gifted my sister. They had their first necklace, which I ended up purchasing for my mom. But when they reached out to me, I was going to respond and tell them that although it's not something I would wear, I'd be happy to review it, with the understanding that I'm going to mention that I'm going to be gifting it to my mom. I got a little busy with work, and when I went to respond to them, it was actually a couple weeks later, and they had 2 new designs, and it was as though they designed one for me and the other one for my sister. So that's when I came up with the bright idea, hey, instead of sending me these, would you send me these personal pieces that I would wear? And then I am also going to be purchasing 2 other from the site that I think would be perfect for my mom and my sister, and I will do an unboxing. And they actually like that idea, so that is what today's video is. But the pieces I am wearing definitely looks more reminiscent of the Starry Night painting, whereas the other pieces look more inspiration. Well, the one I got my sister looks a lot like it too. These you can kind of tell a little bit more that it's the Starry Night painting. They did send me these beautiful stud earrings along with this necklace and ring. The first piece that they actually reached out to me on, this is something I knew my mom would like, so this is more of an inspiration. The stones are kind of an inspiration of the painting, and I knew I wanted the yellow. It also comes with, instead of where the yellow diamonds are, it also comes in like a white, but I knew that this would be more like her style. Once I saw the round Starry Night inspired necklace, I knew that this one was my sister. It was silver, which she prefers, and it's kind of like a little round circle with the Starry Night theme inside. So I thought this one was really pretty and perfect for her. And the reason why I thought this was perfect, like perfect timing, was we're actually going to the Van Gogh experience, as long as it's not canceled due to the pandemic, the week of October. And I thought it would be cute if we all wore these pieces together, because we're kind of like that. But let's go ahead and get into their unboxing. Say hi, Mom. That's my mom, Zoraida, and then my sister, hello, Stephanie. Mom, yours is the blue bag, and Steph, yours is the white bag.
It's decorated so pretty.
This is an early birthday present. They're fall babies. They're both Libras.
The flowers match my colors.
You know, I had to put perfume in there.
And this one is Aqua Allegoria.
Allegoria.
Elizabeth and James Nirvana French Gray, and I'm pretty excited.
I'm excited too. It's got a cute name.
The 3rd in my collection.
It's a natural, like grapefruit kind of smell.
Yeah, I love it. Now the second.
Well, let's let Stephanie open hers.
Yeah, I just wanted to get a refresher on the scent.
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, I like the bottle.
Have you smelled this one before?
Like, I feel like each perfume represents.
Yeah.
This is orange juice. That's the company.
Julius?
Orange Julius.
Jeulia Jewelry.
Yeah, this is Julius.
I think Stephanie will be able to guess the theme. I don't know if Ma will.
Okay, if I guess it, can I say it out loud or give Ma a shot?
Give Ma a shot.
Okay.
Or no.
Well, this one is a seahorse.
You already know Steph, don't you?
Well, I was thinking like oceans, like water based. So
Very pretty.
it is. I like mine too.
A jeweler designed this after something famous.
Van Gogh. So I got the Starry Night.
We all got Starry Night. There's just different.
Oh, what threw me off was because Mom said hers was a seahorse, but it's not.
No, she was guessing.
So I feel like I would have gotten the theme if I didn't get misinformation.
Because I thought of that too.
But I could see where it looks like an abstract seahorse.
Yeah, so the jeweler created different variations of Starry Night.
Which is nice because
That's why we're
We do
going to. So that's the theme
you
of
can
it.
all wear our...
Exactly, and I got my own pieces, which I tucked away because I didn't want you guys to guess because mine's a little bit more.
Have you already used yours? It's very pretty. I love it. So this is like their line of like Van Gogh inspired. Oh, that is really pretty.
I want that.
And I'll wear it when we go see the show.
Yeah.
Because your ring's like gold, and I like that it's that you pick silver for mine.
Well, yeah,
clearly
this one
I have
only-
a preference.
This one only comes in gold, so I knew and I
okay.
know that you like silver.
What's your that one? Oh, so there's silver.
Yeah,
It's kind of-
those only come in silver, and I know you can wear both. I know you prefer silver, and I thought that one looked the most like the art piece besides this one, but this one only came in gold.
Yeah. Yeah, so, because again, going back to when you said seahorse, I was like, okay, so if that's supposed to be a seahorse, then I can see where this is like a wave instead of stars. But my first thought was, oh, she's going with something astrology. Now I'm really excited about, I gotta get a whole like outfit together.
Yeah. So that is the unboxing. Say bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now, I love art, but I'm definitely not like someone who knows art like say my sister does. She actually majors in art. I'm one that I like different artists, but I've always loved Starry Night. There's only a few of the more popular ones of Van Gogh that I enjoy. I also like the cafe painting that he's done. My sister told me the name, but it's kind of long, but I'll pop in a picture. But I've always loved Starry Night. It's actually been a painting that someone had done by hand, like an inspiration painting that me and Dennis bought from a vendor on the side of the road. And we had it for like 10 years in our first townhome together, and then again in our new house. His mom actually has it now, so I'm happy that I can still see it every now and again. But Starry Night is something that I am a fan of. I really enjoy the Starry Night painting. So I am really happy to have these beautiful pieces. So thank you, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me this. And my sister and mom love the pieces that I got them. So really happy with this unboxing. And I'll have all the information linked down below if you guys want to look into this. They have a lot of jewelry, not just this collection, but I thought this was the perfect theme, and like them reaching out to me and the theme of their birthdays this year. So that will do it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.